Okay, we've got just a couple of other reminders here before we get into a problem. 500 RPMs is how many radians per second? Okay, 400 pi radians per second is how many RPMs? Well, let's see. You should be able to figure this out, okay? So you probably ought to stop and figure it out. And if you can't, well, I'm going to tell you now. So 500 RPMs is 500 revolutions per second. A revolution is 2 pi radians. So that's 500, and that's not per second, this is per minute. RPM, revolutions per minute. So that's 500 times 2 pi radians divided by a minute, which is 60 seconds. Well, that comes out 1,000 pi divided by 60. Turns out to be 16 2/3 radians per second, if I did my calculations correctly. You know, revolutions are converted to radians, minutes to seconds. We end up revolutions per minute is converted to radians per second with the appropriate numbers. Okay, 400 pi radians per second. 4,000 pi, sorry, radians per second. Well, I'm not gonna do every calculation. I'm just gonna observe that that's 2,000 revolutions per second. Why? Because a revolution corresponds to 2 pi radians. Okay, well, how many revolutions is that per minute? I'm going to leave that to you. Okay, if it does that many in a second, how many does it do in a minute? Okay, we're going to move on to a problem next.